Imagine turning your outdated dining room into a sleek, modern masterpiece without breaking the bank. Watch this dining room go from drab to fab in just a few steps. Let's dive in. This was the dining room we started with: dark wood furniture, heavy curtains, and an overall traditional vibe. While it had its charm, it felt outdated and cramped. We wanted a space that felt airy, modern, and inviting, a perfect blend of functionality and style. We started by giving the walls a fresh coat of paint in a soft, warm white to brighten up the room. Next, we replaced the traditional dining set with a sleek, modern table and plush upholstered chairs in a neutral tone. To complete the look, we added a statement pendant, light, a minimalist rug, and some greenery for that pop of freshness. And here's the result: our modern dining room. It's clean, stylish, and perfect for entertaining or a cozy family dinner. If you love this transformation, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration. Your dream space is just one makeover away.